gotta put this on YouTube.
This is us going to Frisco.
Oh yeah, motherfucker.
Go smoke some. Yeah. Look at this guy on this. Oh, it doesn't zoom in. That's whack.
Yeah, dude, we should. Want it?
I guess.
No, it doesn't zoom. Oh, whack. Going to Frisco. We're gonna do some drugs. Fuck you.
That's the guy that sucked my dick. What?
What?
Where's my dad? I think he left. What an asshole. Oh,
I raped you.
He's right there. Dude, stop. No, we gotta like. You go right there. That way when my dad will be like. Oh fuck, dude. Where's the $60?
You gave me $60?
Yeah.
For real?
But he said not to waste it all. I'm rich, bitch.